Today's learning target is I can create equivalent names for numbers. If you look at the word equivalent here, it has a word that looks similar to what you've probably known. Equal. Equivalent means equal. So equal means the same. Today, we'll be looking at name collection boxes. Name collection boxes are any number can be written in many different ways. The names are called equivalent names. Here is an example of a name collection box. Up here, you will see the label. This box is an 8 box. All the ways to show 8 are in the name collection box. I could write multiplication, division, adding problems, subtraction problems. I could show a picture. I could use tallies. I could write the number in English. I could write the number in Spanish. There are lots of different ways to make equivalent numbers. Here are all the different ways you could add, subtract, multiply, divide. Use tally marks or an array. Write words in English or other languages. So what we're going to do today is, see, here's another example. This is the 50 box. Everything in here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 equals 50. So today, we're going to take a look at a 14 box. All right, we need to come up with ways to get to 14. So I think I'll start with tallies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Remember to make a bundle of every 5. How else could I get to the number 14? Well, I could do an addition problem. 7 plus 7. I'm going to do another addition problem and I'm going to say 10 plus, that's right, 4. Now this time, let's try a subtraction problem. I'm going to start with 14. What would I take away from 14 to end up with 14? You're right, nothing. Let's say that I have let's go with 24. What would I take away from 24 to end up with 14? If you said 10, you're right. So now if I look, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 names, all for 14. These are called equivalent names. If you look at your journal page today, what you are going to do is you are going to write 10 names for 20. Over here, it says 3 names do not belong in this box. Cross them out, then write the name of the box. So here, there are going to be 3 that you're going to put an X through. Then once you figure out what the box should be, you will label the tag up here. A lot of times I will go through and say, okay, this one equals 14. 10 plus 6, write the answer above it. 10 less than 26, write the one above it. Once I see all the numbers, I will be able to see which ones add up. 8 twos would be 16. Now I have one that says 16, one that says 14. I'm going to see what most of them equal and write that in the box. Down below, you're going to write 10 names for 24. And number 4, you get to come up with your own number and then add 10 equivalent names for the number that you came up with. That is journal page 9.